Number 9, dumidiskarte. Tumira, wala. Rebound. Kinuha number 29. Pass to number 44. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 28. Tumira. Basket. Dribble the ball. Dumidiskarte. Basket. Pass to number 44. Pass to number 19. Wala. 96, dribble the ball. Wala. Rebound by number 29. 44. Nice call, rep. Nice, rep. Rabi. Remaining time 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 9. Layup. Wala. Rebound by number 9 again. Intercept by number 19. Number 9, foul. Number 19. 15 to shoot. Paso na off. Number 77, attempt. Wala. 44. Intercept by number 9. Pass to number 77. Foul. Stop. Stop, break.